Konnichiwa, Sensei Adrian. Today, I'm going to show you how to perform kata number 1. And kata number 1 is forms 2 and 3 combined to make a much longer kata. So here we go. Kata number 1. Kata number 1. Step, rising block. Step, rising block. Front kick. Punch, punch. Aya! Turn, and we repeat that. Rising block. Step, rising block. Front kick. Punch, punch, ki. Aya! Turn, back. Rising block. Now we're going to step, stow. Step, stow. Point your hand. It's a crescent kick. Crescent kick. Hit your hand and punch, ki. Aya! Now we're going to repeat. So this hand becomes my turn rising block. Step, stow. Step, stow. Point your hand, crescent kick, punch. Aya! Step back. You're really proud of yourself because you just did kata number 1. Turn. Kyosuke. Ray. Keep practicing. So remember, forward and back, forward and back. Lots more moves, but I'm so proud of you guys. Keep practicing at home. I will see you soon. Sayonara.